search for a rare and critically endangered North Pacific right whale begins on August 10th. This is supposed to be a dedicated survey in the Gulf of Alaska in more than a decade. The team of NOAA Fisheries scientists set out a month-long research survey on board the NOAA ship Reuben Lasker to try and locate this rare North Pacific right whale, possibly the most endangered marine mammal to visit the U.S. waters. Today, only an estimated 30 North Pacific white whales remain. The legacy of the extensive historical whaling in the 19th century, also large illegal catches by the former Soviet Union, the blaming Russia. Also, the devastating population in the 1960s, and most recently, the Fukushima nuclear disaster, which of course you're not going to find here in the NOAA.gov. Scientists are hoping to collect information on the few remaining animals to inform strategies on how to best help these animals recover. Stopping nuclear power might help these animals grow, wouldn't it? If we stop polluting the water, the oceans, and dumping in them. We actually know very little about the species, says Brenda Roan, NOAA Fisheries affiliate and chief scientist for the crews from the Alaska Fisheries Science Center. We hope to collect photos, tissue, and fecal samples, as well as sound recordings of sighted whales. Want to hear a sound recording? I got one. It's a hard whale to find, they're saying. The focus on the current research will be on the Gulf Coast of Alaska, where they've only had a handful sighted in recent years. This is a year-to-date maximum 5-kilometer satellite coral bleaching thermal stress alert area. The Western Pacific to the Eastern Pacific. This looks like it's slamming right into Ecuador. But you notice you don't see that so much over here on this side in the Indian Ocean. And then we see this big red area all across the coast of California, which is alert level 2. That's the highest alert level. When there's no stress in the ocean, it's this white area right here. But there's not so much white, is there? You got little watch areas, which are yellow. You have warning areas, which are in orange, which are about half of the Pacific Ocean is a warning area in the northern. Then you have alert level 1 status. These really dark red lines here is alert level 2. So I imagine we're probably going to start seeing a lot of dead animals in South America, which there have been reports of dead dolphins in Peru. Take a look at this latest NOAA coral bleaching hotspot on 8/24/2015. When we're looking at this map here, we see here Japan, Fukushima, right around here. So these bleaching hotspots are all coming off of Japan. They're over there occurring. You see they're getting darker over here. You can imagine a lot of these areas are becoming dead zones. But notice, not so much coral bleaching down here. Isn't that strange? Not really too strange because of this. Right whales have growths called callosities on their heads. The pattern of the callosities on each animal is as unique as a fingerprint. So scientists will be photographing both sides of the head of any right whales they can find. I doubt they're going to find any. If they do find it, they're probably going to be floating upright. If you're looking at this map here at the bottom near the Kodiak, near Alaska, there have been a lot of whale strandings right in that area just recently. So So this is the area that they're going to be surveying. So they're going to go all around. So they're blaming climate change. Of course, it's climate change. But they're failing to look at all the pollutions that's going on to the ocean from Fukushima. Never heard anything about that.